ni sambula vinakatale au na kureti gani ni karuni wasiwasi ni wasote ni via berbalila isa ono na kaloko ia au na via wilika ngayani na karuni wasiwasi se part 2 ni Radio Viti episode 1 Radio Viti Aotearoa Noda Bula Health and Wellbeing live stream. And then rongo dawalanga into na itutuku mbaletira na health workers kara mai strike na singa wakarombuka na singa ena noa mai nandua kina lima. So nga veira ka doanga na bola tutur to ambita mai na te fatora. Our hospitals and facilities will remain open and patients will receive the care they need. Emergency departments remain open. In an emergency, call 111 or go to your nearest emergency department. Do not delay seeking help. Come to your outpatient appointment or treatment unless you are contacted directly to have your appointment rescheduled. If it's not an emergency, you can visit your GP, pharmacy, urgent care clinic, or book an online GP appointment. Call Healthline for free health advice 24/7. Saiva walu, saiva ono, duan ono. Call Ka-Ora for after hours care in rural areas. Yawe kemuni na Tiko na taundaku ni tauni. Ningiri kina Ka-Ora. Na after hours care kemuni na tutania na taundaku ni tauni. Ningiri na saiva walu, saiva, rua, lima, rua, ono, vitu rua. Au nanumi kemuni Tiko na ngole Tiko mai kau ni ndau mai dhaka na seasonal work scheme. Ena vinanga muni thinko matiko na tutuko ya. Wakino kemuni na ndau mai tarvale. Okay, so tale na dhaka na lomani Vikaumbeka running the kaya na forestry ke na tambanan teitei soli tu kemuni na ngalala mani ngir kina baleta ni rawa ni kemuni na kerbakasala sangan somi na kerbakasala ya rani giri na healthline saiva walu saiva ono duandua ono ke na Ka-Ora saiva walu saiva rua, lima rua, ono vitu rua. Giri se text do vitu tolu vitu kina free mental health support. Au na via ngole sarango mo wili ka ngayani batana i karua ni Ulutaga au na via kurietu kaya ni kina na ngaone ni Noda Bula se Tiko Bulabula embale tikemni Tiko na Turaga. Na watukai na men's health. Au wakarei da toka endo na bola tukutuku. Membaleta tika ngā na nomini maroroe tika na nomini Bula kemuni na Turaga. E wakaroti tika ngā mai na nomini ngole mele chektaki na nomini warau ni nra na yana blood pressure checks kio sesanga nila i reida tuna no mvuni wai o te whitha na Bula kia nga una ngomole lo reikina ena wina nga menda do me vai ndo kai tu orto na tambana ni Bula ena kia na soli me wike mami na doni kedi waki na i tutu ni Bula e wanga ena nanda motokani ndo koia ni ena ponua mele lo reikina waka veira na kia na ndau na mechanic waki no kenda na Noda Bula Iau was tiko vi kemuni na Turaga au na via wilika ngani indira endo dono mo wilika ni ba Viti una wilika ni ba valangi una ngai wakamatala takene sona tikina ina wasaka Viti ratumbita tika mai na te wiki hawora tane. Welcome to Men's Health Week. Thanks for wanting to learn about Men's Health Week, which will roll out once again Me wausa ulika tiani go. Men's Health Week aims to get you right on top of your biggest and most important asset, your health. Yana Nomumbula. Our sole purpose at Men's Health is to get you guys to think a little more and know a little more about your health. To encourage men to start with the small steps that can enable them to turn their health issues around. Little steps can and will make big differences. We just have to start. Iawi kemuni na Turaga, kaina hitu ngā me Tikavu e nandua na Tikavu lalai. Enta kambeka ni taumbale, ni ndo taumbale, ni oti mai na kawaka, ngole ani mo taumbale, waboki ngā e na block. Se le Sicily na swimming pool, se le weekenda na Tiko boleka na waitui, tān raki katakata mai. Rene lei taumbale tui ma tā sawa, ki o bia sili, rene o sili sara. Ni kaina ki na sona ma wekala lai enda waka e thoreni me enda buke ki na Noda Bula, sia na nomini bula na Turaga, e na dona I te hububinaka, bula te a e rani wakapuna e dona duindui levu e na nomumbula, or wana wakila na nomumbula ke wako taumbale, o ngole ani mo lako e na udi wai mo le taumbale tuki na so Sicily Sara. E songa na wika e ndo ngandrevi mo ni lei testaka na nomini wakarauni nra, na yana blood pressure, wakina na testaki ni nomu o irna nasi o ke toa senge waka o tia mai na neto duana programo duana family fun picnic day a mai waka e dore Kapiti Coast ka roto ngole aniki na roto na Pacific Health Plus tikina na mata mai na te whatuora Catalyst Pacific ambo lako tangtunga ini na Turaga Local Member of Parliament Honorable Tim Costley kito asyang sarani tanrani na basika ini basika tu yani enonona levi toma nitu ke kimami ena pikiniki oya songa na weka na numitu wei kemuni na Turaga moni I loba ni na kakana beka o nindo kania so sareirai sivi beka na kena levu ena pinaka mo le kere baka sala me reini o baka lutuka kina na kemumimbi baleta tiungan na matini uto o wakareida Tiko sona kakana ka tukuni Tiko mai na all favorites can be heart friendly tu ni basota e via tao no bichilo no mandando na wai o barrido toke barrau tai tu sona kakana karton bito to mai Following a heart-healthy way of eating, you will be ensuring that you get all the nutrients you need to support your health. There are many ways you can eat to support your heart health, and all of them are simple variations on a common dietary theme. The key is to base your diet around foods that are as close to how they are found in nature as possible. This means eating plenty of vegetables and fruit, some whole grains in place of refined grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and other sources of healthy fats such as oily fish, non-processed lean meats, poultry, or dairy are good too. Here are a selection of easy, tasty, and heart-friendly recipes for men's health, and it is revealing just how easy and healthy some old favorites can actually be. Chicken fried rice. This tasty chicken fried rice recipe is an easy and quick meal to make for when you're in a hurry. Pad Thai, a classic Thai fried noodle dish packed full of flavor and goodness. You'll be wanting seconds for sure. Corn fritters with feta whip. The sweet corn fritters shared from my food bank are fritters, but not as you know them. These beauties are packed full of flavor with Moroccan spices. Make for a quick and tasty midweek dinner. Grilled fish wrap with pineapple salsa. Here's a delicious light fish wrap with a pineapple salsa. This healthy recipe is both filling and fresh. Awambo weekend na Viti, wikem ni na Turaga ni na vika ni tonga na kenda kakana waka Viti. Awambo na kenda kakana ito toka, mas ni na do talita na kakana down rau. Biuto kaya ni na ika. Kena waka lolo toka na kenda ika. Ito toka vina sartunga ya. Mas ni Tiko na pinaka ni new na kakana rau e na dou kania me wa ni sianga I ke na mbele ronga ni ta kania ni na na kakana rau e wole takitu na makete o mo te levo weekend talanga anda sa teindalo tu e na nonda esa ni vale sa rarosar kina na nonda dou kan rau indalo ya mbeka e sona wika e rau ni da wuke tuki na nonda kania ni na kakana me wuke kenda. O na katola nga mo we o singa ni na rua na Ulutaga na matirisuka sena diabetes wata ke na prostate cancer. Prostate na prostate yo. So e sa tuwir na cancer e so se songa na lenga e tuwir ka rauni release sarkina o na we se tungani ena tinea ke na heart and stroke. En dona ka beauty o mai ni tukuniti na blood pressure talanga e wakatoka e na silent killer. Your heart pumps blood around your body through tubes called blood vessels. Blood pressure is the pressure of blood against your blood vessels as it moves through your body. This pressure is necessary to make the blood flow, delivering nutrients and oxygen throughout your body. However, high blood pressure, also called hypertension, means there is too much pressure in your blood vessels. This can damage your blood vessels and cause health problems. Wambo te weekend na sa ngole bibu ni wai in the dokilabina na kena I warau na nonda nra. Duanga na waka na blood pressure na misini. Dona thick band se cuff do mbiu I linganda kangai wiliki na pressure. And duana sona kena wiliki and duana rau rosngabulu over 75. Makai tukuniti umai, the first top number is the pressure. When your heart beats, yana systolic pressure, radoka na vunuai nasi. The second bottom number is when